Hi mini friends! Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Disney snacks by Mini Brand Creates. I went to Walmart the other day and I saw these and I was like, oh, we haven't done these on our channel yet. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to kind of take a look at these and see what they're all about and see if it's something that I would like to add to my food collection. My mini food collection needs some really delicious Disney snacks, I think. So let's go ahead and start to get into these and see what they're all about. Okay, so here's the first capsule. Go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is the inside of them. Kind of looks like a pineapple. Wonder if we're gonna get a pineapple in one of these. So let's see what we've got inside. Okay, so we've got 3 packages. Okay, let's take a look and see what is going to be in the Disney Snacks collection for the collector's guide. So this is the super rare. We did not get the super rare, but I'm just showing you what the super rare would look like. I'm not going to flip this over, also it's going to show what we did get. So we could get that. We could get the Cheshire Cat hot dog, which does not look very appetizing to me, to be honest. If they sold that at Disneyland, I would definitely pass. There is a delicious Stitch sorbet that looks like it could be like blueberry or blue raspberry. We have the Mike and Sully donuts. Mike and Sully Boo donuts. That'd be fun for Halloween. And then we have the frozen soft serve in a cone from the Frozen movie. We could also be getting a Moana smoothie bowl, which looks very healthy and delicious. Ooh, then we have Ariel from My Little Mermaid, which is the Ariel bubble tea. This looks more like it's got a fork in it because of Ariel, of course, but it almost looks like, instead of a bubble tea, it looks almost like a parfait of some form. And then here's Mickey and Minnie, some mini pancakes, which reminds me of waffles I used to make as a kid. So those are the pancakes for Minnie Mouse. And then there's the Mickey parfait, which is like red jello, almost looks like, with some cookies and some chocolate, some Oreo cookies, and a donut. That does not sound like it would be something I would want to eat in real life, but it is very, very cute and adorable in the Miniverse. So that is everything we could be getting. So let's actually open this up and see what we did get. Okay. Ooh, okay, so already we now know what we got. Green fruit tea, imitation of course, and it's Ariel. So that kind of tells us we've got the Ariel bubble tea. So let's take a look here. Ooh, aw, flounder. Flounder is actually my favorite in My Little Mermaid. Fruit tea, purple. Got purple coloring. And then we've got our whipped cream glue. Put that there. And we've got the nozzles for each of those. So there's that. And then the second package, if you shake these balls, you can hear like different things sometimes. And so that's, if you wanted the Ariel one, that's what it sounds like. We've got some really cute tongs, very unique. We've got our light. And then we have the pearls. And then the fork that Ariel combs her hair with. Very nice. And then the last package, we have our Ariel cup, mermaid cup. And then we have the Ariel sprinkles. That's cool. And then last but not least, we have fruit puree, imitation fruit puree. What does that look like? Oh, okay, so it's kinetic sand. It looks like purple kinetic sand. So that's what that looks like. If I get duplicates of these, I'm thinking of a couple of different remixes we can make. We can make like a cake, like a My Little Mermaid cake would be fun. There's a lot of things we can do with this. And this is the Ariel bubble tea. Okay, on to ball number 2 out of 4. So I got 4 of these to look at, which I thought was a good sample size. We won't be getting all of them today, but it kind of shows us what we can be getting and the things, if the series is worth collecting. Do you guys enjoy me opening these in front of the camera? Let me know in the comments. Is this something you want to keep seeing, or should I just start cutting it out of the videos? Let me know. Okay, so what did we get next? Okay, so 3 more packages, just like the last time. Okay, so in this one, there's a flower and some leaves. Oh, okay, so it's the Moana. So we've got a Moana smoothie bowl of some form. So this must be the scoop to eat it with. Or it looks like a spear, so eat it with the spear. And this is the kinetic sand to make it look like granola. They did a great job. It almost looks like granola. Or the nuts. They're calling them nuts, not granola. So there's that. And this one has the glue. Moana smoothie glue. Sea salt glue. So it's supposed to taste like... I don't think I would eat a smoothie that tastes like sea salt, but I'm hoping it's actually blue raspberry. And then in this one, what do we have? We have the light. The Moana light. Okay, but you're using the same type of tongs as the Ariel one. And then what else we get? Okay, we got some cookies, soft baked cookies to look like the boat. And then we've got this really cool looking bowl. And that's it. That's everything. So this is the Moana smoothie bowl. So we have 2 balls down and 2 more to go. So what could be inside this one? I grabbed these at Walmart. I have no idea what I grabbed. I didn't even weigh them. I just grabbed what I saw on the shelves. I'm hoping all of these are different and we're not going to get any duplicates. Okay, what did we get in ball number 3? Okay, these packages look much smaller than the other 2, so it must be something different. So we've got 1 very thin, 2 very thin packages, 1 very big package, and the instruction booklet, and how to use the flashlight guide. So let's open this one. This one is... okay, it's Frozen. So Frozen the movie. These are the snowflake crystals that go on the ice cream. It's very hot today, so this would be delicious to eat if this was real. So we got our snowflake crystals and our snowflake cone, or frozen cone, I should say. Very blue. So that is the first package. Now onto the second package. Okay, what's in here? Got different types of tongs this time. Very cool. It's got the sparkle glitter on it, just like in the movie Frozen. And then we've got... this must be the top of the cone to hold the cone, maybe? Okay. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have to put the cone holder together, it looks like. And then last but not least, in the package, we have a beautiful Frozen spoon. Very pretty. Okay. One last package for the Frozen. It must be the glue. And hopefully some sprinkles. I guess the snowflakes were the sprinkles. So vanilla glue that would go inside the ice cream. So this must be the ice cream. And then a nozzle. So that one was very, very basic. So this is the Frozen soft serve in a cone. Okay, on to ball number 4, our very last ball. Let's see. It's been very nice that we haven't gotten any duplicates so far. So picking them out in store by feeling them seemed to have worked out pretty well. Okay, let's see what's in our very last ball for the day. Okay, this one looks like bigger packaging than the last time, so it's going to be something different. So let's see what's in the smaller packaging. Oh, it looks like Mickey Mouse. So we've got some egg roll biscuits, the sprinkles that go on top, the 2 chocolate cookies for his ears on the donut, And then the donut itself, this is really small. This is a lot smaller than I thought their scale was going to be for the Mickey Mouse. Everything's so big with mini brands, so I'm actually kind of shocked how small these are. So that's the chocolate donut. It makes me hungry. Every time I see these donuts, I'm just hungry. There's something cute in here. I see an ear. Something cute. Okay. Oh, it's the ice cream glue that goes on top of the sorbet. And then we have chocolate sauce glue for the chocolate sauce. And then we have the red jelly. Mickey! I love Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse and Minnie are probably everybody's favorite character, to be honest. I mean, they are the OGs. The original gangsters of Disney World in Disneyland. Okay, so let's see. We've got a bunch of different types of nozzles depending on the glue you're using, so that's fun. And then in the last package, we've got probably his little outfit. So yeah, the little outfit jelly jar and the light, the Mickey light. I can shine. Mickey's fun. Oh, and then this is adorable. Look at this. These are the tongs. Look at these. I would just use this to clap my hands, but like, congratulations! Congratulations! Applause! Everybody applause! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have too much fun with those. That is probably the best part of this whole set. And then we've got a Mickey spoon. So we've got a really cool looking Mickey Mouse spoon so we can eat our yummy dessert with. So that is our fourth ball, the Mickey Parfait. Okay, so that concludes our Disney Snacks series from Mini Brands Create. Let me know down in the comments which of these delicious meals you would love to see me make next. And until next time, I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!